Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into what happens when you invest just $5 a day for an entire year. First off, you might be wondering why just $5? Well, small investments can add up over time. If you invest $5 a day, that total is $1,825 over the course of a year. Now let's talk about how to set things up in Robinhood. It's super easy. Just download the app, create an account, and you're ready to go. You can choose to invest in stocks, ETFs, or even crypto. Make sure to diversify your investments to minimize risk. For example, you could split your $5 between a couple of different stocks or ETFs. Once you set up your portfolio, it's important to track your investments. Robinhood provides easy to read charts and performance metrics. Keep an eye on how your investments are performing. Remember, investing is a long term game. What can you expect after 1 year of investing $5 a day? Assuming an average annual return of about 7%, which is roughly the historical average for the stock market, your $1,825 investment could grow to approximately $1,953 by the end of the year. That's a gain of around $128. Of course, this is just an estimate. The stock market can be unpredictable, and your actual returns may vary, but it's a great illustration of how consistent small investments can lead to growth over time. Let's look at some real life examples of stocks you might consider investing in with your $5 a day. Some popular choices could include tech giants like Apple or Microsoft, or even ETFs like the S&P 500 ETF, which gives you exposure to a broad range of companies. Remember, always do your research before investing in any stock. Here are a few tips to maximize your investment journey. Number one, stay consistent. Make it a habit to invest every day, even if it's just $5. Number two, educate yourself. Take the time to learn about the stocks or ETFs you're investing in. And number three, avoid emotional trading. Don't let fear or greed dictate your investment decisions. So, there you have it. Investing $5 a day can lead to significant growth over time. And it's a fantastic way to start building your wealth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing tips.